One of the absolute worst things about eBay is their unpaid buyers, right? So buyers can send an offer and then not have to pay right away. This is one of the worst things and drives me absolute crazy on eBay. I recently went to an eBay meetup where there was an eBay team there, and I talked to them a little bit about this. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys kind of the background of this, why they don't require immediate payment for all transactions on eBay, what eBay is currently doing with it, and then give you guys 2 tips on what you can be doing to try and minimize your unpaid buyers. So let's jump right into it. Recently, like I said, I went to an eBay meetup. Definitely recommend them. eBay promotes them and supports them, and you can find it on eBay's website if there's one in real life local to you, or they are doing them virtual now via Zoom. I've attended both, and I always come out with lots of really good information. So I went to one recently, and I was talking to the person, and one of the biggest things is unpaid buyers. So I will say we're talking when an offer gets sent on eBay. You can have immediate payment for buy it now. If someone buys it now, they automatically have to pay. However, if someone sends an offer, they don't have to pay right away. And this has kind of changed over the years. It was given 2 days and 4 days and so many days to pay, and then you can cancel. If you cancel right away, you as the buyer can get a ding on eBay. And so your item is basically out of commission for the time that it is unpaid. Let me know if this drives you guys as crazy as it drives me. But I had some really good information come from this eBay team, and so I'm going to share it with you. Let's look a little bit into why it's the way that it is, and then we'll get into what eBay's doing about it, and then I'll share with you some tips that I'm doing to really try and minimize my unpaid buyers. So I talked to eBay, and we asked them, what's up with this, right? Like any other platform, anywhere else you buy online, you have to pay right away, right? So what's up with this? And essentially they said, hey, eBay's been around for a long time. So it's a work in progress. When eBay first started, friends, you had to buy something, send the buyer a check in the mail. Once they received it, then they would ship your item. So it has come a long way, but with that, there's a lot of background things that have to happen. And it started as an auction, and it started with people sending them checks in the mail. They were used to not having to pay and get the item automatically. And so they kind of just progressed with that. It's a lot going on in the background, and it's training your buyers to have to pay right away. Right, wrong, or indifferent, it is just the way that it is. That's where eBay is right now, and their buyers are used to not having to pay right away. And so moving into what eBay's doing about it, they did say in the seller update that they are going to roll it out. It is being rolled out on the buyer side. So keep that in mind. So far, I've had one buyer who said, hey, I sent you an offer and it made me pay right away. So I've had one person, they are rolling it out. It's just very slow. And this is what the eBay person told me. He said, we are rolling it out. We're being very cautious about it because we have, whether it's right or wrong, they have the culture of people not being used to paying right away. And so what he told me is, and these aren't the actual numbers because he doesn't work in that department, but he said, oh no, this is the actual number. He said only 2% of eBay sales are unpaid items. And while as a small seller, 2% can be a lot of money. It's something that's out of commission. It can be very frustrating. If you look at the grand scheme of eBay as a whole, 2% isn't that much. And when he said it, that they're being very slow because they've built this culture. And so if they have 2% of buyers are unpaid, and then they roll out this unpaid to the buyers. If, let's say, 3% of those buyers now abandon the cart, they're losing more sales because more people are abandoning the cart because they're used to having immediate payment. So they're rolling it out very slowly. He said they do hope to have it rolled out unless something big happens or they're noticing that they're just losing astronomical sales or more sales than the unpaid. they plan to have it rolled out. So while this is really frustrating, I do really appreciate that eBay is being very cautious about it, because I don't love the 2% of unpaid buyers. However, I really wouldn't love the 3% that are abandoning the cart if that's what's happening, right? So they're being very diligent in how they roll it out, making sure that they continue to satisfy the buyers and that they're continuing to provide the customer service and continuing to get those sales for them, right? They make money, but also for us as sellers. So I know it's very frustrating, but after talking to him, I really did have faith in eBay again, knowing that they are doing what is in the best interest of my small business, even though at times it doesn't feel that way. Now, I'm going to share with you guys 2 things that I do to kind of minimize my unpaid buyers. And the first thing is price very competitively. If you are pricing super, super high and waiting for an offer, if that's your pricing strategy, completely fine. And if it's working for you, do it. But if your pricing strategy is based off of mainly offers, you have a higher exposure to getting more offers and more unpaid items. If you have priced more competitively, people probably may be more willing to just buy up front and not have to necessarily send an offer. So that's something, it's going to depend on what you sell, what category you sell, and your pricing strategy. But that's something that I've kind of been a little bit more mindful of, is pricing a little bit more competitively. And then the second thing that I've been doing, and this has been working really, really well, is the public coupon. So I will link a video up here. eBay recently came out, like towards the beginning of the year, recently came out with coupons, not the codeless coupon that was really hard to use, but coupons. I share it all in my video. There's multiple different ways to do the coupon. I walk you through how to use it. What I've been doing that's really minimizing my unpaid items is using a public coupon. And I was a buyer and I went and there was a couple of different ones that I wanted. And I was like, oh, I can send an offer on this item. And then I saw one that had a coupon and I was like, okay, I can send an offer to someone for 20% and we go back and forth and we deal with that. Or I can just buy it right away, use their public coupon and pay the same price. So it really encouraged me to buy the item right away. I've been using it on my store and I'm noticing, I talk about it in the video, not only how to do coupons, but then how to tell if they actually work. Look at the metrics, look at the data that eBay provides. So definitely make sure to check out that video, but it has really been working for me. If you like this video, YouTube also thinks you'd like this video. I will link a playlist here of how to make money reselling, and then make sure to hit that subscribe button.